right, on Project COVID 1953, I'm going to bring you up to date on what I did on the engine. After the crank and the camshafts were installed, I moved on to getting everything assembled to being a full long block. So from there, put all new rings on the pistons, so a new ring set, and installed the pistons, as well as put new rod bearings in and torqued the rods, connecting rods down the spec. And then from there, I moved on to a new double roller timing chain. So bolting that on, getting that all set up so everything's in sync. And then after that, I went and got the Vortec heads that I went through and refreshed and installed them with new head gaskets, new head bolts, and torqued them down. So after that was done, I decided I'd go ahead and finish up the valve train. So I put in the new lifters, the new push rods, and new rocker arms. And then I set the valve lash on the rocker arms as well. So now I have a full long block. It's looking really good. I haven't run into any snafus. I'm glad I did what I did, freshening everything up. It's not quite as good as a full rebuild, taking it to the machine shop and going nuts on it. But with being a budget build, I believe it's going to end up being a quality engine for quite some time. So the long block is assembled and we're ready to move on to the next step.